What's the meaning of cholesterol? Cholesterol. Cholesterol.
Cholesterol. Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance that the body needs to build cells, hormones, and vitamin D. It is produced by the liver but can also be found in some foods. There are two types of cholesterol, HDL, high-density lipoprotein, and LDL, low-density lipoprotein. HDL is considered to be good cholesterol, while LDL is considered to be bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to heart disease and stroke. Maintaining a healthy balance of HDL and LDL cholesterol is important for overall health.